This video will introduce you to the function and features of 3D Internet's Bonding and Grounding Personal Protective Grounding Training Simulator. This training solution is designed to train power line technicians in the methods used to isolate, test, and apply protective grounds on de-energized electrical facilities prior to beginning other work. The scenarios include typical procedures involving overhead, underground, vehicle, and substation grounding conditions. The simulator operates in 3 modes: training, practice, and testing mode. In training mode, the user is prompted to the correct action by text on the screen. This is where trial and error learning takes place. If the user performs the correct action, the simulator moves to the next step in the procedure. If the wrong action is attempted, the user is required to try again. Clear and technically specific on-screen instructions provide the user with information as to the purpose of each step and the action required to complete it. The user interface is designed to be simple and intuitive so that the learning is focused on the grounding operation rather than complicated computer functions. Users can repeat procedures in training mode as many times as they require until they are completely comfortable with the procedure. They can then try the same procedure in practice mode. In practice mode, the user can try to complete a scenario without prompting to see if they are ready to move to testing mode. Results are not reported in practice mode. In testing mode, a user is not prompted, as they are now expected to remember the steps in the procedure from their experience in completing them in training and practice mode. Results are tracked and reported. Users have the ability to move freely about the environment while in testing mode. The 3D graphic environment replicates the visual experience of being in the field where the work would take place. Through keystrokes or mouse manipulation, users can maneuver around the environment. The Help button can be accessed at any time for a full description of how to operate the program. As each step is performed successfully, it is graphically represented on the screen and the next prompt is queued up. The equipment and tools provided in the procedures include photorealistic models of the poles, lines, substations, tools, and appropriate personal protective equipment. The output from this training simulator is SCORM compliant and can report scores and completions to learning management systems. An optional database is also available that includes more detailed reporting of data, such as how many errors on each specific step. This can provide users and instructors with the key information required for determining competency and for planning remedial and follow-up training in specific areas. As with all 3D Internet video game-style training simulators, this tool has been designed in conjunction with leading subject matter experts from specific jurisdictions. The scenarios and procedures are, however, readily modifiable to accommodate procedural variations that may occur in other geographies. This format also allows for the addition of new scenarios on request. For more information, please contact 3D Internet at 800-442-5299 or at sales@3dinternet.com.